Korwase kaunti ya Kisii awase ritkoria rero ria so ritkoria gatano imeye bunge kaunti ya Kisii ase committee erie kubarika abantu gose Public Service Board yabake korinkori gwa kubwatkana nobo koreri ibwabo
ase ritkoria renyera bono bali baikabosi ase committee yumbali bakwegerera committee ya Public Service asawate abuna nigo bari bakore mirimo yaba senchere bwendete korengana ne bunge nigo bagendete gotegerera chinse mochionse eriko gendera kunengia so ime kumanyana serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii bwata abakora imirimo baje aniga gocekerekeria tebekanete guna abakora imirimo embeo ase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nigo bari gitu ne kyumbeke ekibono baganire kenyare gutuguterwa reko rwa serikali ya kaunti
kurengana bari babete bakobeke kine kyo nigo bagate abuna ekyumbeke gosenseme yote gukora imirimo yabo ko bwatya richiko na igo nigo bakurika abakora imirimo asenchira etabwenereti egento baganirie amountire ya beka gokorwa eri obwasyo kuno bayigo bwene kororokana chingaki abakora imirimo bakorikwa asobokoreri we serikali.
However, it is the mandate of the County Public Service Board to source staff for the county government when it is satisfied that there exists vacancies, that there exists budgetary allocation, and there exists need from the line departments and the user departments.
So in a nutshell, Bwana Vice Chair, did you preach any law in reacting to decisions by the cabinet as requested by the county secretary?
No, we did not preach any law.
Did you do this for your own benefit or the benefit of the people of Kisii County?
We did this for the benefit of the people of the Kisii County.
They are saying that by so doing, by you complying with the request by the executive, you preached the Constitution. What do you say about it?
We did not preach the Constitution of Kenya. We acted within the law.
Now, the gentleman is saying that you as the board contravened the law.
We did not contravene.
Converting casual workers, their terms of employment into contract, and subsequently into permanent and pension.